Question number 3 of exercise 11.2. The length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equals to 48, BC is equals to 48, CD is equals to 17 meter and AD is equals to 40 meter, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. See, they have written length of the fence. Do you know what is fence? Fence means, if you must have seen that around the fields they put barbed wire. Okay, wire is there which have some spikes and all. So that wire is put around the field so that any animal or nobody can enter the field. Okay, so the length of the fence, the total length of this wire is 120 meter. Okay. So if length is 120 meter, that length is actually the perimeter of this field. Perimeter of this field ABCD. So perimeter of ABCD is equals to 120 meter. This is the total length of the wire, the fencing. So it is the perimeter. Now in this it is given that BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter, AD is 40 meter. Now they are saying that find the area of this. Can you see that AB is not given to us, and it is given that AB is the perpendicular. It's a perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is the height. This side is the side also of the trapezium and also the height of the trapezium. If we will get to know this AB, that means we will get the height. Sides, the parallel sides we already know. Height if we will know, we can easily find the area. Okay, so let's first find this side. We know that perimeter is sum of all the sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equals to 120 meter. If you will add all these sides, it will be equal to the perimeter. So how much is AB? Which is not given. AB plus BC is 48, CD is 17, AD is 40 is equals to 120 meter. Now AB plus 40 and 48, 88 plus 17 is equals to 120. AB plus, now add this 8 and 7 is 15, 105 is equals to 120. AB is equals to 120 minus 105, AB is equals to 15 meter. Now AB is 15, that means the height is 15. Now put these values in the area of trapezium and you will get the area of this trapezium. Now question number 4th. The diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field. This is the quadrilateral and its diagonal is 24 meter. The perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. So from these vertices there are perpendiculars on it, on this base, 13 and 8 meter. Find the area of this field. We have to find the area of this field. Now to find the area, if you can see that the figure is divided into two triangles. This is the upper triangle, this is the lower triangle. We know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is 24, 13 is the height. For the lower triangle, again half into base is 24, height is 8. You can find the area of both the triangles and add it. But there is another method also. There is a shortcut. Whenever you come across such kind of figure where there is a trapezium and two perpendiculars are there, then what you can do is, you can simply write area of quadrilateral is equals to half into, now base is same and heights are different. There are two heights, h1 plus h2. Okay, so half into base into, why there are two, why this formula, from where this formula has come? Because there were two triangles and we were supposed to add these triangles. Half into base into height plus half into base into height. For this triangle height is h1, for this triangle height is h2. Now I have taken half and this be common. what is left in the bracket, h1 plus h2. So this is the formula whenever you have such kind of figure where there are two triangles like this, the quadrilateral is formed by these two triangles, base is common, then directly just write down half into base into and add both the heights. So first you will solve the bracket and then you will do it.